Hi everyone. Let me just share to you a little bit knowledge regarding to mental health. Do you ever wonder what's the difference between stress and anxiety? Let's break it down. So stress is your body's reaction to a specific challenge like deadline, an exam, or a big event. It usually goes away once the situation is over. Anxiety feels similar, but it's different. Anxiety is that ongoing worry or fear that sticks around even when there's no clear reason. It can affect your sleep, your focus, and your daily life. So, for example, stress is feeling nervous before a presentation, but calming down after it's done. Anxiety is worrying about that presentation weeks before and after, imagining the worst case scenario. So here's the key difference. Stress is temporary and situation based. Anxiety is persistent and can be overwhelming. And a reminder, a little stress can push you to do better, but if worry consistent and interfering with your life, it may be anxiety. And reaching out for support can help. Take care of your mind. It's matter. Bye.